Hello, I'm Anna Kasatkina. Welcome back to InstaTV News channel. The European Central Bank is set about to launch the quantitative easing program in the nearest 2 weeks. The regulator promised to start buying mortgage bonds since mid-October. Besides, the ECB is to start buying asset-backed securities a bit later. The asset-backed security purchase program will be implemented both on the primary and secondary markets. The programs triggered by the ECB will last at least until 2016. The regulator did not revise interest rates as it was expected by experts. The ECB has cut down interest rates twice in the recent 4 months. So the benchmark interest rate was brought down to the historical low at 0.05% in September. Apparently, it did not make sense to expect further lowering. The regulator decided to focus on other ways to bolster the economy. However, markets expected the ECB to take more resolute measures. The ECB didn't dare to green-light the full-scale quantitative easing or direct purchase of treasury bonds. Besides, the ECB has not announced a purchase amount. According to flash estimates, the program could need over 1 trillion euros to buy asset-backed securities and take other efforts to back the banks. So investors were upset about ECB indecision. As a result, investors started to sell off European companies' shares. Europe's stock markets closed the trading day with shares plummeting in value. A bearish stance also affected the single European currency. The euro versus the US dollar pair tried to gain ground at the beginning of the press conference. However, it resumed a downward bias and now it is trading at about 1.2642. Mario Draghi again insisted that national governments should bear the responsibility. The ECB president stressed that some countries urgently need structural reforms to meet the EU standards. Experts think that the policymaker refers mainly to Italy and France, where the budget deficit greatly exceeds 3% of GDP required by the European Union. The ECB meeting was held in Italy's Naples, where residents arranged a protest against the austerity policy. And this was daily financial news from InstaForexx. Stay tuned.